Hello student, today we will be starting the chapter fiber to fabric, the chapter number 3rd of science. So very first, before starting the chapter, we need to understand the what is fiber and then what is fabric. Now what is fiber? It is a hair-like strand. It is the hair-like strand or single hair-like strand is known as fiber. Now what is the clothes we are wearing? That is the clothes, and these clothes are made up of these clothes are known as fabric, and fabric is in which kind of fiber is placed in this kind of cloth. So this fiber actually, what is the series of this? Fiber, then fiber to yarn, then yarn to the fabric. So fiber is a single strand hair-like structure, and by this will be composed, and this will be make the yarn, and then yarn will be composed into the fabric. So fabric you can consider as a cloth, and you know why we are putting the clothes. And one thing you must have noticed, that cloth we are putting up, it depends on the climate. We putting cotton clothes in the summers and woolen clothes in the winters. So this will be depend on the environment, on which kind of environment we are living. So I am writing some definitions, you also write with this. We are talking about the fiber very first, and this, what do you mean by the fiber? Fiber is a single hair-like single strand. So you just write it, it is a single hair-like strand. This is the fiber. Now what we talked about, what is fabric exactly? Fabrics are the, I have told you the series about this, fibers composed yarns, and then it will be converted into the fabrics. So we can say that fabrics are, you can mark an arrow and write it down. Fabrics are made of yarn arranged systematically. So what is fabrics? Fabrics are the made of yarn arranged systematically. Meaning अगर हम yarn को systematically arrange कर दें, तो they will be make the fabric. So what is a fabric exactly? Fabric exactly you can say it is a cloth. हम क्या बोल सकते हैं fabric को? हम इसको clothes बोल सकते हैं. That is produced by the weaving and knitting in the textile industry to produce a cloth. तो फैब्रिक क्या होता है आपका? दैट इज वी कैन से दैट इज अ क्लोथ दैट इज बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द नीटिंग एंड वीविंग बाय द टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री. So that is about the fabric. Now how people choose the fabric? People choose the fabric depends on the climate which they live. If they are living in the area of summer or warm weather is there, then they will be use the cotton fabric. And if they are living in a situation or climate, the winter situation or cold is there, they will be use the woolen cloth. So that is about the fabric. So what is fiber? Single hair-like strand-like structure. Fabrics are made up of yarn arranged systematically, and fabric is a cloth-like cloth you can say, which we get from the textile by them knitting and weaving. So this is about the fabric. Now we can classify about the fiber. The smallest unit of the fabric is the fiber. अगर हम बात करें कि फैब्रिक की सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट क्या है, तो दैट वुड बी द फाइबर. ठीक है, अगर आपके घर में एक पुराना कोई कपड़ा है, तो अब हम उसके अगर तार अलग करेंगे, तो जो सबसे सिंगल स्ट्रैंड निकलेगा वो क्या होगा? दैट वुड बी फाइबर. तो इस तरह से ये दिस इज अबाउट दी फाइबर एंड फैब्रिक. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी विल बी डू दैट क्लासिफिकेशन of fibers on the basis of length. On the basis of length. Now what is happening here? There are two kinds of fibers. Classification of fibers on the basis of length. So we are talking about there are two kinds of fiber, that is staple fiber and filament fiber. You can write fiber beside this. Staple fiber and filament fiber. Now what is this staple fiber? Because we have classified them on the basis of their length. So staple fibers are the shortest in length. So what are staple fiber? They are short in length. Now if the question is asked in examination what is staple fiber, तो ये नहीं आपको write करना है short in length. You have to write a complete sentence. It is short in length, or you can write it down. Staple fibers are short in length. So this is about the staple fiber. Now filament fiber are just opposite of them. You can write you can see that they are long in length. What is happening here? They are long in length. So example of staple fiber is the natural fiber, that is cotton. And if we talk about the filament fiber, all human made fibers, जितने भी all human made fiber are filament fiber, like rayon, polyester and all, है ना? It is. So these are the about, we read it about the fiber. This is a hair-like, single hair-like strand is fiber. Fabrics are the clothes, or fabrics are made of the yarn arranged systematically. I have told you the series about fiber, then yarn, then fabric. The smallest unit of the fabric is the fiber. Now we talk about the classification of fibers on the basis of their length. That would be the staple fiber and that would be the filament fiber. Staple fibers are the short in length and the filament fibers are the long in length. So all human made fibers are the filament fiber, and all, you can say, natural fibers are the short filament. Is that clear to you? Now we will go through the sources of the fiber. We can classify the fiber on the basis of their sources. Classification of fiber, you write it all in your copy. After completing this topic, we will do the question answer on the basis of this. So we will be talking about the sources of fiber, classification of fibers on the basis of sources. So earlier we have done the classification on the basis of their length. Now we will be talking about their sources. So very first we are talking about the natural fibers. Natural fibers, and second one is, you can mark 1 or 2, synthetic fiber. Now if we talk about the natural fiber, so natural fibers we are obtained from the natural sources. And what is the natural sources? Plant and animals. So you can write the definition of this particular fiber. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. What we talked about? Natural fibers are we obtain from the plants and animals. That's why they are known as the natural fibers. Now we will write the examples of this, like cotton, wool, then silk. Then we can write one more example of coir, then jute. They all belongs from the natural fiber. Now we talk about the natural fibers like this cotton and coir and jute. I have written separately in a group, like cotton, coir, jute. We talk about this. So cotton are we getting from the plant, from the cotton balls. Now this is the coir. This is the outer covering of the coconut. So this we are getting from also the coconut palm tree. Now we are talking about the jute. This is also we are getting from the stem of this particular plant. So this is about these all we are getting from the plant fiber, you can say that, or vegetable fiber also you can say them. Now we are talking about the wool. Wool we are getting from the fleece of the sheep. From where we are getting? Fleece of the sheep, goat, you can say that. So by their outing coverage, जो उनके बाहर hair होता है, that should be known as fleece. तो वहाँ से हम we can get the wool. And silk we are getting from the silkworm and insect. So they are the animal fibers or natural fibers as well. Now we will be talking about the synthetic fibers, and synthetic fiber you come to know, आपको idea भी है, they are the human made fibers. Which kind of fibers they are? Human fibers, human made fibers. Now you can write the definition. Fibers which are made up of chemical substance. Fibers which are made up of chemical substance. So that is known as synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is example already we have seen that, like human made fiber, rayon, polyester, example are polyester, etc. So they are the example of the synthetic fibers. So this is about the natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Now write it down. I hope you must have understood about the. Now one more thing I want to share with the natural fibers, that natural fibers we are getting from the plants and animals. So what is the chemical nature of the plants fibers we are obtained from the plants? They are made up of a chemical substance that is known as cellulose. What is that? Cellulose. Or animal fibers we are getting from animal. So they are made up of, the chemical substances there is protein. So you must have understood this. This is about the natural fiber. Now we will be talking about the advantage of the natural fibers. You must have written these points in your copy. We will be talking about the advantage of the natural fiber. Advantage of natural fibers. Very first advantage we have talked about कि they keep our body warm. Like wool clothes we are putting in winter, so they keep our body warm. So write it down. They keep our body warm. So example can be the wool could be there. Next is in summers sweat can pass through pass through them, so they provide coolness to the body. So this is the advantage of the natural fiber. So very first point I have written, they keep our body warm. So this would be indicating the wool fiber. In the second point we are talking about the summer sweat can be passed through the them, so they provide coolness to the body, that is indicating for the cotton. So this is about the advantage of the natural fiber. Now we are talking about now we will be talking about the advantage of synthetic fiber. What is the first advantage we are talking about? They are strong. They are strong. They are strong. Second point we are talking about, they are crease resistance. What is the second point of this? They are crease resistant. They are easy to maintain. They are easy to maintain. Now the next is they dry quickly. They dry quickly. Now what we talked about this, the advantage of the natural fiber, they keep our body warm, they in summers they provide our body coolness. Advantage of the synthetic fiber, they are strong, meaning they are very strong. You understood what is the meaning of this? They are very strong comparatively to the natural fiber. Now they are crease resistant, meaning there would be no wrinkles on each kind of clothes. Now they are easy to maintain also. You need to wash them, use them, no need to doing pressing or ironing on these kind of the clothes. Now the next four, they dry quickly, meaning if you wash the cotton cloth or you are washing any other synthetic fiber, this will be get dry quickly, nylon and all. So this is about the advantage of the natural fibers and advantage of the synthetic fiber. In upcoming video, we will be talking about the different what is the disadvantage of this particular, we are reading about the poly cotton also. Now I am giving you some question on behalf of this. You will write all this in your copy, and on behalf of this you will write the question answer again. The first question is, write difference between, question 1, write difference between staple and filament fiber. Question number 2, write difference between natural and synthetic fiber. And one more question I am giving you orally, you will find out from your book. The question is, write the name of very first human made fiber. What you have to do? Write the name of very first human made fiber. Now you have to do writing all these notes. You have to answer these two questions in a tabular form, meaning you will be made staple fiber like in a tabular form, filament fiber, then write 2 points, definition and example. In the same way, what you have to do with natural or synthetic? Natural fiber, synthetic fiber, definition, then example. Understood? I hope you understood. Thank you.